My name is Mariat Thankachan, and this is my MSMS work sample for the class of 2018. Water can be found almost anywhere, but you cannot be sure if it's pure or drinkable. Many regions in the world are experiencing this issue with the lack of clean water. Therefore, I decided to do a little bit of research, and I found that carbon can be used as a filter to remove unwanted chemicals and impurities from water. This is because carbon has a large surface area and an open porous structure which attracts the contaminants and sediments. When I thought about the resources found in nature, I realized that charcoal consists of carbon and it can be easily obtained from the remains of a fire. Using my research, I formed a question: can charcoal filter water? My hypothesis is that the charcoal will trap the harmful contaminants and impurities in water using its large pores, thus cleansing and filtering the water. To test my hypothesis, I made a filter inside a clear bottle. The bottle is filled with a bag of charcoal, and I have poked holes in the bag and the cap of the bottle for the water to come through. Cotton is also placed in the bottle so that tiny pieces of charcoal that escaped the bag will not flow down with the water. I used dirty water from outside and I poured it into my filter. The resulting water seems to be murky, but I think this happens the first time because the charcoal is being cleansed. I decided to see if the water would improve, so I poured this murky water back through the charcoal. This time, the water was a little more cleaner. Observing this change, I poured this water through the charcoal one more time, and it came out clear. It is evident that the charcoal absorbed the sediments and impurities from the dirty water. However, I would boil this water to purify it completely before drinking. After analyzing my results, I concluded that my hypothesis was correct. Charcoal does bond with the toxins in water, filtering the impurities. I also found that the more times I passed the water through the charcoal, the cleaner the water became. And since charcoal can be easily found, it should be used more to supply cleaner water.